So you've been in a serious car accident and the insurance adjuster is calling you nonstop trying to get a hold of you. When do you answer that call? What do you tell her? How do you handle that? Well, let me tell you, if you've been in a serious accident, you've got to be really careful. These insurance adjusters are trained to get information from you that could be detrimental to your claim and to your case. They're going to want everything from you going back to probably your high school years or even before that. They're trying to look for things to deny or limit the payouts that they have on legitimate cases. So you've got to be very careful. I always tell people you do not need to give a recorded statement to an insurance adjuster after an injury. You just don't have to do it. You're also probably on pain medication, in pain, worried about your finances, trying to schedule doctor's appointments. It's not a good time to be getting taken advantage of by the insurance company, which will happen if they call you and get you talking right away after your accident. So what do you do instead? Give us a call. We're happy to walk you through the steps that you need to take to protect you and your family after you've been in a serious accident.